Today, I'm going to be talking about heritage language learner engagement in the Spanish classroom. A heritage language, or HL learner, is a student who is raised in a home where a non-English language is spoken, who speaks or merely understands the heritage language, and who is to some degree bilingual in English and the heritage language. So what I want to know is how the same HL learner engages in Spanish class pair work activities when working with another HL learner versus a second language or L2 learner. So I'm looking at case studies of 3 HL learners taking an upper level Spanish course at an American university. And they're either paired with another HL learner or an L2 language learner. And they work on a series of collaborative writing tasks about topics related to Latin American culture and Latinx issues. So we're looking at engagement as a multidimensional construct. We have behavioral engagement, which will mark through number of words, and overlaps and latching, which is overlap is when there is overlap in the speech between two speakers, and latching is when there's no time or space in between the turns of two speakers. We'll look at emotional engagement through laughter, and we'll look at social engagement through content-related questions and language-related questions. Findings. So in many different types of engagement, we see that the HL speakers are more engaged with other HL speakers. If you look at overlaps and latching, you'll see that there are a higher number of overlaps and latching per minute between the two HL speakers. We'll see the same thing with the content-related questions and the language-related questions, which shows that the HL speaker trusts the other HL speakers more for language and for building up the content of their tasks. For words per minute and for laughter, there's a lot of variability, and we don't see trends based on the type of interlocutor. So this shows that the HL speaker can have fun with any type of speaker. We do have some exceptions. We have Marisol, which has a lot of variability and a low number of language-related questions all around. And this is because of her unique personality type. She doesn't seek input from her peers, and she likes to dominate tasks. So trends across many types of engagement show that HL students are more engaged with HL than L2 partners, but there's a lot of variability across the data, which shows that there could be factors influencing engagement more than proficiency levels. For example, interest in topics, familiarity with interlocutor, or personality and or conversational style of the speaker. So this is just a pilot study, and we need a larger scale study with more speakers to be able to make broader generalizations. Gracias, thank you.